Hey everyone, it's Kevin McGowan with Washington Capital Partners. We're here for the third episode of my flip in Oxon Hill, Maryland. Let's take a look at the finished product. We're standing in the family room, which really only required some cosmetic work. We added recessed lighting and crown molding, and then we updated the fireplace with new paint, new tiles, and some trim. If you remember back to episode 1, the kitchen was completely closed off from the rest of the house. We took down the wall, added this peninsula, and then of course upgraded the kitchen with new cabinets, tiles, backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. I'm currently standing in the first floor bedroom, which comes complete with an ensuite. We currently have it staged as an office to show the versatility of the space. Overall, the basement was quite an undertaking. Not only did we remove the mechanical to accommodate 2 new bedrooms, but plumbing had to be rerouted for a new bathroom and a new washer-dryer unit. When we purchased the property, what we're standing in right now was an unfinished storage space. We added 2 extra bedrooms to the property by relocating the mechanical here, adding 2 extra closets, and of course, egress windows. We're currently standing in the largest bedroom on the 2nd floor. It can be used as a master depending on the buyer's preference between a 1st and a 2nd floor master bedroom. If you remember back to episode 1, this hallway did not exist. We built it to create a separate bedroom with its own entrance. The crumbling porch foundation that existed when we purchased the property was not only affecting the porch itself, but the roof right above it. We fixed this problem by pouring a new concrete slab, which brought the property back up to code while greatly improving the curb appeal. Well, that's it everyone. Thanks for following us through the stages of this renovation project. If you missed the first 2 episodes, you can check them out right here. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. And if you're looking for funding on your next real estate project, reach out to Washington Capital Partners today for a free consultation.